In today's digital world where online businesses and remote work flourish, you have to sell is what the market wants to buy. It has opened up the opportunities for entrepreneurs, for crafty entrepreneurs, for digital entrepreneurs, for people that can write well, people that can draw well. It's given the opportunity to everyone. In today's digital world, the platforms available for remote working and for online businesses are amazing. They've opened up the opportunity for creative work, for entrepreneurs to be able to make an income, whatever size they are wishing and wanting and planning for. And it's also opened it up so that everybody has the opportunity to sell their craft. And their craft obviously ranges from anything they want to do. It's an opportunity for you. Share your craft, share your passion, share your journey in the comments below. Let's get together and create that community of big thinkers. Let's get that big dreams, big bucket lists, all filled with an income that we can deliver. How about following, just to make sure that we keep the algorithms going, and comment below anything that you'd like to know about or what you might be thinking is a good thing to be able to start looking at. Starting small doesn't mean thinking small. What it means is following strategic steps to be able to get you to where you want to go. So the 3 stages that I would talk about is identify your niche. Niche, what is a niche? A niche is something that defines what is a pain point that the customers are looking for. We can then analyze what your qualities are, what your wisdom, what your expertise are, what your craft is that you want to sell, and see how that is a solution for a pain point.